Volkswagen Atlas. This is a 22 model, 2.0. Misfires, cylinder 1, cylinder 3. Cold start due to carbon. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the intake manifold now. Gotta remove these lines off the intake manifold, remove that nut right there, loosen the nut, take that off. The lines, a couple of connectors down here that hold on to the bracket mounting. I'll remove the gas line. It's easier from the high pressure pump to get to it. So when I remove the intake manifold off, I have it loose now. I just need my other hand to remove it. Once I have it off, I'll go ahead and show the valves, what the carbon does, causing the misfires. Here are the intake manifold, carbon, slots. Place this down. So let's look in here. Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and put the zoom in light so we can see it. So after removing the intake manifold, voila. Valves in there, full of carbon. And that is what causes a misfire. Direct injection, carbon buildup causing misfires at cold start. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a Volkswagen 2.0. Misfires, cold start, could be carbon buildup. I actually found goddamn leaf in there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that now. Probably fell off when I removed the intake manifold. But as you can see, all cylinders have carbon.